Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Get ready to restore from a smart switch backup by preparing the device. Charge the phone to at least 50% before you begin the process. Install Smart Switch on your PC or open the Smart Switch app on the target phone. Use an original USB cable and keep it nearby for a reliable connection. Confirm you have the correct backup file available and note its size, for example 5 GB. Backups may include contacts, messages, photos, and app data. Connect the phone to the PC using the USB cable and allow file access on the phone. Open Smart Switch on the PC and click the Restore button to begin. Select the backup file you identified earlier from the list that appears. Choose which data types to restore, for example apps, messages, or photos, and confirm your selection. Keep the phone unlocked and on screen during the transfer to prevent interruptions. A 5 GB restore typically takes about 50. After the restore completes, sign into your Google and Samsung accounts to finish app setup. Verify contacts, photos, messages, and settings to ensure everything transferred correctly. If some apps did not install, enable app installs or reinstall them manually from the store. Reconnect to Wi-Fi and allow any app updates to download and apply. If the restore fails, retry using a different USB port or use the wireless Smart Switch transfer option. For persistent failures, export important files and consider a fresh backup, then retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.